what's going on, guys? Jill Bender here. Today I want to talk about the Infinity Processing System. A lot of you know that I recently partnered with them. So what I want to do is a quick breakdown and simplify the program and let you know exactly what the Infinity Processing System is. And then what I'm going to do is show you actual case members of people that are brand new to affiliate marketing, that are just crushing it with this program, especially newbies. Like if I was a beginner, this is the most ready to go program and the fastest one that I've ever seen where you can make money right away. So let's get into what the Infinity Processing System actually is. There are 3 different levels that you can join. It's a one-time fee. So the most popular is the pro level. And I know you're probably saying, yeah, sure, you're just trying to sell me on the most expensive. The reason it's the most popular is because it's the most inclusive, but you're going to get the most and you can make the most money. Don't worry, lots of people can only afford the $50 buy-in right now. So what they do is they buy in, they make a couple sales, and then they upgrade later to the $300 level. So don't worry about that. As I said, it's a one-time investment. You're not going to be charged any annual fees. You pay for this, you get it, you start promoting, you're done with that part. So let's see what that actually means. So if you were to start at the $50 starter level, right? That one's right here. When you do this program, you are going to be promoting on social media. You're going to be posting ads on social media. I know what you're saying, Jill, I'm a newbie. I have no idea what you're talking about. So basically, it's an advertisement that you're putting out there. And it could be anything. It could be just some text on the screen. It could be pictures. You could even have videos on there. But to get you started, you are going to learn how to do the Facebook marketing strategy. And you're going to learn the Craigslist marketing strategy, which is super powerful. You're also going to get 30 marketing ads and 20 bonus image ads. All right, the 150 buy-in, you're going to get 100 pre-written ads. You'll get 40 bonus images, and then you're going to get not only the Facebook marketing strategy, you're going to get the Craigslist marketing and Instagram marketing and YouTube automation. All right, now when you buy in at the pro level, again, you're getting everything from the first 2. In addition, you're going to get 200 pre-written ads and 60 bonus images. You're going to get the Facebook marketing strategy. You're going to get the Craigslist marketing strategy, the YouTube, not automation over here, YouTube mastery. So that's going to take it another step higher with YouTube. You get the Instagram marketing strategy and TikTok marketing. They're going to teach you exactly how to do that. That's the nice thing about this. You do need a website. So if you know how to create a website, then feel free to take the information. You can create your own website to get this going. But if you're like me, you want to save time. I've created websites. It takes me a long time because I don't know how to create websites very well. So if you're like me, you want somebody else to just do it for you. This is the cheapest I have ever seen anybody create a website. It's a one-time $25 website fee. These are the only fees you're paying, guys. So you buy in at your $150 or $300 level, whichever, and then you pay $25 to have somebody build your website. You're done. The best part is that they build it within 24 to 48 hours. I bought this program at night before I went to bed. I submitted all my information. The next morning I woke up and my website was ready. So I'm not going to say they do it in under 24 hours. It's fast. It's the fastest you're ever going to have anybody set up a website for you. So your website is going to look very similar to this one. Obviously, it's not going to be my smiling face. It's going to be yours. Then you can get started. Now I want to take you over to the Facebook group that you would have access to. And this is the group where people go in and they post either welcome to whoever they just signed up, or they're going to post their results. Sarah's welcoming Kayla. We've got Julie. All of these posts are welcome posts. So you can see Jenna made $750 in one day, and this was within boom, $3,150 in 5 days with this program that Jenna's made. Just showing you this works. Jenna made $350. That was a day ago. Boom. Over 1,000 this week for Shayna. As you can see, the program is super powerful, super effective. and just a really easy way to bring in some extra cash. Let's do the math. You make $300 a sale. So if you're in the $300 elite club, if you're in the 150, you get 2 sales in a day. But let's say you're making 1 sale a day. Let's just use you're just going to do weekdays. Okay. So we're going to do 5 days. That's $1,500 in 1 week, guys. Now there's 4 weeks in a month. $6,000 you will make in 1 month if you're making $300 a day, and that's only during the week. Now I'm going to share with you something that I learned from a multimillionaire, and it's called speed of implementation. Now, what that means, guys, money loves speed. The people that you're seeing that were making all their posts and making all these sales, these are people that took action. They're not people saying, oh, I'll just wait till I get paid again, or I'll wait till I have more money to do this or more time. They're people that took action right away. The people that are hitting all these successful numbers are people that take action. No secret formula to that is money loves action takers and money loves speed. So if you're someone who's serious, then I highly, highly, highly recommend you click the link down below and pick which option's the best for you. Like I said, jump in at one of the lower levels and move up if you need to, or go all in and go with the pro level. That's exactly what I did, and I'm so glad I did. If you have any questions about anything that I talked about in this video, can you leave me a comment down below? I respond to everybody's comments. I hope to see you guys inside. Thanks so much for watching.